everybody out there in Wasabi land. This is Jennifer with Oregon Coast Wasabi. I hope you're all doing well. So our recipe for this month is a Wasabi Martini, and it's easier than you think, much easier than you think. All you need to do is take your favorite gin or vodka. I happen to prefer vodka. A shaker, because we're all using shakers for our martinis. Put some of your favorite gin or vodka in your shaker with a little bit of ice. And we're going to give it a little shake here. Ooh, we lost a little bit. That's all right. And then you're going to take your chilled glass, because everyone is chilling their glasses for their martinis. You can dump out that ice and the water here. Now you have a nicely chilled glass. And what we're going to do here is this bowl has a little bit of water in it. And all we're going to do is dip the edge of the cocktail glass here in the water, because the next part is going to be, we're going to put our wasabi cocktail seasoning salt along the edge of the glass. So all we did, here's our cocktail seasoning salt. It comes in these great tins. Put it along the edge of your glass here with just a little bit of water. And then we're going to take our vodka, a little bit of vermouth if you want it, mixture. And you have a perfectly chilled martini with our wasabi cocktail rim salt on it. Now, if you want to make it even more special, you can do a couple things. One is the wasabi greens and stems, the leaves, they make an amazing garnish. So if you're growing your own wasabi, you can pull some off the plant, cut it off the plant, and use it as a garnish for your martini. You can also order leaves from us online. But an even more special way to do this is with our partner, Scratch Distillery, because they have made an incredible wasabi vodka by infusing the vodka with our wasabi. And you can buy it direct from them. You can see a link below into how to contact them and how to buy direct from them. So thanks so much.